Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all doing well. Myself, I'm Kiran Kumari. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to write tables without multiplying. And this method will help you to write the tables within few minutes only. Without multiplying, without repeated addition, we will quickly write the tables. So let us see how to write the table in very easy method. Do like the video and subscribe if you're not done till. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button and hit a like. You will also find the links of my other math videos in the description. Now, when we say tables, everyone will remember the tables from 2 to 7 easily. From 8, many people forget it and they don't even write it so correctly. So here I have a technique to remember 8 table and 9 table in very easy method. We'll write numbers 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are, 8 fives are and all. Now let us write the product. What is the product? Meaning of product is when we multiply any two numbers, we get the answer. That answer is called as product. Now here we are going to multiply 8 into 1. The answer whatever we get, it is called product. Now let us find the products of these numbers. Now what I am going to do is I will start writing the numbers from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again I will start from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here I will write 4 two times. So what did we do? We just wrote the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you all remember even numbers? What are even numbers? Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and we include 0 also. 0 is neither even number nor odd number. But if we write 0 next to any number, that full number will become even. So we consider 0 also. Now we are going to use 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now from 8 what I will do? I will write 0. After 0 I will write 2, 4, 6, 8. Same I am going to repeat here also 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That's it. We got 8 table. 8 ones 8, 8 twos 16, 8 threes 24, 8 fours 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, 8 nines are 72, 8 tens are 80. Now let us see the first method of writing 9 tables. Using our fingers we can write 9 tables. We know we have 10 fingers, 5 in each hand. Now using our fingers, let's see how do we write it. Now I will shade the first finger in left hand and other one is right hand. Let us shade the first finger. Now how many fingers are left? 9 fingers are left. So 9 ones are 9. Now 9 twos are, so I am going to shade the second finger. Now before the second finger, how many fingers are there? 1. And after second finger, how many fingers are there? In right hand, 5. In left hand, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which means how many are there? 8 fingers are there. So 9 twos are 18. So here we have two parts. Before the shading finger, how many we have? And before after shading that finger, how many we have? That is the two part we are going to count. So now 9 twos are 18. Let's see 9 threes are. For 9 threes are, what we are going to do? We are going to shade the third finger. Now before third finger, how many fingers we have? We have 2. And after, how many we have? In right hand 5, left hand 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. So we have 27. 9 fours are. So we are going to shade fourth finger. Before fourth finger, I have 3 fingers. And after fourth, how many I have? Right hand 5, left hand 1. So how many we have? 6. 9 fours, 36. 9, 5. So we are going to shade fifth finger. So before fifth finger, I have 4. And after fifth finger, I have 5. So what is that? 45 I get. 9 6 are 54. 9 sevens. Before seventh finger we have 6 fingers. And after seventh one we have 3 more. So 9 sevens are 63. 8 1. 9 eights are, how many we have? 7. After shading of this finger we have 2. So it is 72. 9 nines are, we have 8 and 1. So it is 91. 9 tens are, we have 9 fingers before 10th one. But after that we don't have any number. So we will write 0. 9 tens are 0. When you are doing this method, you can fold your finger. So here I can't fold it. So that's why I have shaded. When you are doing, you can just fold your fingers and use the same technique. You will get the tables. So what is 9 table? 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. This is the first method of writing the table or remembering the table of 9. So let us see the second method of writing 9 table only. In this method, I am just going to use the numbers. Like how we did 8, same way we are going to do 9 also. Here we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then what we will do? Again we will start 0 to 9 numbers in reverse way. So from 9, what I'll do? I'll start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again we got the 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 sixes are 54. 9 sevens are 63. 9 eights are 72. 9 nines are 81. 9 tens are 90. This is the 2 ways of writing 9 table and remembering 9 table in very easy method. Hope you all understood 8 tables and 9 table very easily. Now let us see how do we write the tables of 2-digit numbers in easy method. Now here we will learn to write 12 table using 2 table. So can you tell me 2 tables? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. So what I will do for 12 table, I will just write 12 1 into equals, 12 into 2 equals, 12 into 3 equals, we will write just like that. And product we will write. In 12 table, what is the ones place we have? 2. So that's why we have written 2 tables. Same way, we will write the ones place of 2 tables. 2, 4, 6, 8. And in 10, which number is in ones place? 0. In 12, 2 is in ones place. In 14, 4 is in ones place. In 16, 6 is in ones place. In 18, 8 is in ones place. In 20, we have 0 in ones place. Here in 12, 2 is in ones place. That's why we have written the ones place of 2 table. Again I will repeat 2, which means we have only one number. One number means that is in ones place only. So we will write 2 4, 6, 8. Here from 10 we have 2 digit. In the 2 digit also we will write ones place value, which is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. In 12 table, 2 is in ones place. We have written ones place of 2 table. Now tens place. We are going to add 1. Now here I have written 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 6, 0, 8. I have made this numbers into 2 digit number. Now if we observe the tens place 0, 2, 0, 4, 0, 6, 0, 8. It's having same tens place, right? 0. Now again 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 is having same tens place. So from 0 2 to 0, 8 we are using the 1 counts, and 10 to 18 we are going to use the other count, and for 2, 0, 20 we have another count. It's very easy. So what we are going to do, I'm going to write the tens place of 2 table 0 plus in 12 table, which is in tens place 1, correct? So I'm going to add the tens places 0 plus 1. When we add 0 plus 1, what do we get? We get 1. This one I will write in tens place of 12. 12 ones are 12. Now what we will do? Now I will write the 1. 0 plus 1, 1. That 1 I will write plus 1. Why is that adding plus 1 is like tens place is 1. So we completely through this table we will add by 1 only. The tens place only we will add. Now the sum whatever I got is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. That one I will copy plus 1. What is that I get? 2. So I will write 2. So now 12 2s are 24. Now which number I will copy? I will copy 2 plus 1. The tens place 1. So 2 plus 1. What is the answer I get? 3. I write 3. So 12 3s are 36. Now again I will copy this 3 plus the tens place of 12 1. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. I will write 4. So 48. 12 4s are 48. 4 plus 1 5. Now if we see, after 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. The tens place is changing from 0 to 1. So what we will do? I will add plus 1 to 5 plus 1. I get 6. From 2 1s are to 2 4, the tens place was 0. So we just added by plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 only. And now the number is changing from 0 to 1. The tens place is changing. Whenever the tens place changes, we will add plus 1 to the sum. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. Since the tens place is changing from 0 to 1, I will add 5 plus 1, that is 6. So 12 5s are 60. Now 6 plus 1. The sum is 6 plus 1. The tens place is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. I will write 7. 12 6 are 72. Again 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 84. See, the tens place from 2 5s are 2, 2 9s are is same. So just we will add plus 1 plus 1. That's it. Now 8. 8 is a sum, right? After adding 7 plus 1, we get 8 as the sum. Now again 8 plus 1. I get 9. 9 we will write in tens place. 12 8s are 96. Again 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. This 10 I will write. 2 9s are 108. So 10 plus 1. 11. If we see 2 10s are 20. What is the tens place? 2. So from 1 to 2, the tens place is changing. So what should we do? We should add 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. What is the answer we got? 12 tens are 120. This method is very easy. We will just add with the tens place. Whatever the tens place, we fill completely from ones are to tens are. What we will do, we will add the tens place with the given digit. But if the tens place is changing, then we will add plus 1 again to the sum. Now we got the 12 table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 14, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Let us write the next table. We will write multiplication table of 16 using 6 table. We are going to use the same technique. So let us write 6 tables first. In 16, 6 is in ones place. So we will write 6 table. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. Now we will write 16. 16 ones, 16 twos, like that we will write till 16 tens. Now we have written it. Now what should I write in the product? We should write the ones place of 6 table. In 6 table, whatever the product we have got it, we will write the ones place of it. So in 16 1, now 6 is in ones place. In 6 twos are 12, 2 is in ones place, 8 is in ones place, 4, 0, 6, 2, 8, 4, 0. These are the numbers in ones place. So what we will do now? Since it is 16 table, what is the tens place of 16? 1 is in tens place. So what we will do? The addition is with 1. Now 0, 6 we have. I will write as 0, 6. 6 we will write as 0, 6. Now 6 is different counting. 1, 12, 18 is having the same tens place. 24 is having different tens place. 30, 36 is having same tens place. Again 42 and 48 is having same tens place. 54 is having different tens place. Wherever the tens place is changing, we will add plus 1 to the sum. Only that is the rule we have. That's it. Now let us start. Now 6 ones are 6. What is the tens place? We have 0. 0 plus the tens place in 16 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1. So this one I will write along with 6. So I get 16 ones are 16. Now what is the sum? The sum is 1. So I will write 1 plus 1. What do I get? 2. But if you see here, the tens place is changing from 0 to 1. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. The tens place is changing from 0 to 1. What should we do? We should add plus 1 to the sum. 2 plus 1. We get 3. I will write 3. 16 twos are 32. Now 3 plus 1. 3 is the sum we got recently. So 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. We will write 4. 16 threes are 48. Now 4 plus 1. What is this 4? 4 is the sum we got it. Plus 1. Why plus 1? The tens place is 1. In 16, the tens place is 1. So we are adding plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Why 6? Because in 6 fours are 24. The tens place is changing. From 1, the tens place is changing to 2. So that's why we are adding 5 plus 1, 6. 16 fours are 64. Now 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Again the tens place is changing. 2 to 3. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. Tens place is changing from 2 to 3. So what should we do? We should add plus 1 to the sum. 7 plus 1, we get 8. 16 5s are 80. Now the sum is 8. 8 plus 1, we get 9. 16 6 are 96. Now 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Here again the tens place value is changing. We will write 10 plus 1. It is 11. 16 sevens are 112. Now 11 plus 1. 11 plus 1 is 12. 16 eights are 128. 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 we get 13. See? 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. The tens place is changing. So what should we do? We should add plus 1. 13 plus 1, 14. 16 9s are 144. 14 plus 1, 15. Here again 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. The tens place is changing. So what should we do? Plus 1 to the sum. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 tens are 160. So the answer is correct. If we make any mistake in any step, then 16 tens are, we won't get 160. If we get the 16 tens or 25 tens correctly, which means our sum is, our calculation is correct. The table we have written is correct. So here we wrote 16 table. So let us write another table. Now let us learn the next table. Multiplication table of 45 using 5 table. Now let us write 5 table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50. So let us write 45 tables. Now 0, the table we are writing is 45. Let us write the ones place of 5 table. 5 0 5 0 5 0. We get 5 0 like this. Now we are writing 45 table. Here the addition is with 4. Plus 4 we will be doing. The tens place is 4. So here the addition is with plus 4. Now here 10 and 15 is one group. 20 25 is one group. 30 35 40 45 is one group. 50 also other group. Let us start. Now the tens place of 5 ones are 5 is 0 plus 4. We are writing 45 table. The tens place is 4. So we will write 0 plus 4. 0 plus 4 we get 4. 45 ones are 45. Now 4 is the sum plus 4. 4 plus 4. 4 is the sum we got from 0 plus 4. Plus 4 we will do because we are writing 45 table. That is really important, which you should remember. 4 plus 4 is 8. But here the tens place is changing from 0 to 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. The tens place is changing from 0 to 1. We will add plus 1. 8 plus 1 we get 9. 45 twos are 90. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, 13. 45 threes are 135. Now 13 plus 4 we get 17. Here again the place value is changing from 1 to 2. 15, 20. The tens place are changed. So what we will do? We will add plus 1 to 17. 17 plus 1, 18. 45 fours are 180. Now 18 plus 4. 18 plus 4, 22. 45 5s are 225. 22 plus 4. We get 26. Here see 5 6 are 30. 5 5 are 25. The tens place is changing. So add plus 1 to 26. We get 27. Now 45 6 are 270. We'll do 45 sevens are. So 27 plus 4. We get 31. 45 sevens are 315. Now 31 plus 4. We get 35. But here the tens place is changing. What we will do? We will add plus 1. 35 plus 1. We get 36. Now 36 plus 4. We get 40. 45 nines are 405. Should we add plus 1 here? No. Because here the tens place is same. 5 8s are 40. 5 9s are 45. The tens place were same. So we are not adding plus 1. Plus 1 we will do only if the tens place changes. Now 40 plus 4. 40 plus 4. 44. Is tens place changing here? Yes, the tens place is changing from 4 to 5. 45, 50. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. The tens place is changing from 4 to 5. So we add 44 plus 1. We get 45. 45 tens are 450. So now we have found out 45 table using 5 tables. Let us solve the next table. Let's see what is the table we are going to solve. Multiplication table of 72 using 2 tables. So let us write 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Now we will write 72. As the next step, write the ones place of the 2 table. 2 4 6 8 0, 2 4 6 8 0. Now in 72, which number is in tens place? We have 7 in tens place. So here the addition will be with 7. So we will be doing plus 7. Now in 2 ones are 2. What is the tens place we have? We have the 0. 0 0 0 0. From 2 ones are to 2 fours are, the tens place is same. From 2 5s are to 2 9s are, tens place is same. If you make the groups like this, you will not get confused. You will not miss doing the plus 1. So you will have full clarity for after which number we need to add. So it's better when you are trying this method, do put the brackets for better understanding and for not to make any mistakes. Now from 2 1s are to 2 4s are, same calculation. Then the plus 1 will be, we do after 2 4s are. 5 to 9, the calculation is same. And last 2 10s are, the calculation will be different. Now let us find 72 table. Now the tens place is 0, 2 1s are 2. The tens place is 0. 0 plus 7 we will do. In 72, 7 is in tens place. 0 plus 7. We get 7. Any number with 0, we get the same number as answer. This is one property of addition. 72 ones are 72. Now what should we do? We should add 7. The sum is 7 plus 7. We get 14. 7 is the sum. Plus 7 is tens place. That's why we are adding 7 plus 7. We get 14. 72 2s are 144. Now 14 plus 7. We get 21. 72 3s are 216. Now 21 plus 7. We get 28. 72 fours are 288. Now 28 plus 7, we get 35. See, the tens place is changing from 8 to 10, 0 to 1. It's changing. So what we will do? We will add plus 1. 35 plus 1, we get 36. Now 36 plus 7, what do we get? We get 43. 72 6 are 432. Now what we should do? 43 plus 7. 43 plus 7, we get 50. 72 sevens are 504. Now 50 plus 7, we get 57. 72 8s are 576. 57 plus 7, what is the answer we get? 64. 72 9s are 648. Now 64 plus 7, what is the answer we get? 71. Here the tens place is changing from 1 to 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. The tens place is 1, and in 2 10s are the tens place is 20. So the tens place is changing. So add plus 1. 71 plus 1, we get 72. So what are we doing? We got the 72 tables. Now using multiplication table of 2, using 2 tables, we can write the tables of 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. In this video, I have shown you how we found 12 table and 72 table using 2, right? The multiplication table of 2, we found out multiplication table of 12 and 72 in this video. Same way you can find the table of 52 also using 2 table. Using 3 table, we can find out the multiplication table of 13, 23, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83 and 93. Similarly, same way, using 4 table, we can find the 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94 tables. Same way, we can, using 9 table, we can find out 99 table also. 19 to 89 tables we can find out. So here is some practice work for you. Try to find out the multiplication table of 32 using 2 table, and using 3 table find out the multiplication table of 35, and last one, using 7 table find out the multiplication table of 57. For more videos of mine, to get it, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button, hit a like. Thank you for watching.